Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to my channel. Now it has been a long time since I uploaded a video, and I'm so sorry for that. It's just been crazy. There's a lot of mental health recuperating going on. I recently got back into Final Fantasy 14. Shout out Siren Server, shout out Sinister Sheeps. Love you guys. And that's taken up a lot of my time. And honestly, I've just not been in a real creative mood. And I want to change that. So today's video, we're not doing any makeup. We're just going to sit down. We're just going to chat. We're going to recolor my hair because she needs a touch up. This originally was the shade Porange from Arctic Fox, and it's faded into this lovely orange. I'm going to be retouching it up today, and I want to just talk to you guys about what I've been doing, what I've not been doing, and yeah, let's get started. So I have my gloves, have my bowl, conditioner, Arctic Fox Porange, and I'm going to be adding in some Manic Panic Pillar Box Red because they are, this one is more of like a pinky red shade, so it'll give me more of a peach look. So I'm first going to take this hair mask. By the way, this is not sponsored, none of this stuff I'm being paid to talk about. But this is the Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And I'm just going to take a dollop of that and put it in the bowl, about this much. I always add conditioner to my color because it helps refresh the moisture in my hair, helps me produce more color so I have enough to cover my head, but it also makes my hair feel like super luxurious and like super ooh and ah. So yeah, so while I get my color mixed up, I'm going to do mostly Porange but with a tiny bit of Pillar Box Red. I'm going to talk about what I've been up to, which is honestly not a lot. But I've been doing absolutely nothing. I just have not found like the energy or the time. Well, I have plenty of time. It's mainly just the fact of not having the energy . And when I get into these sort of like depressive moods, energy is very hard to come by. And I just don't want to do anything. So I got back into Final Fantasy 14, which is an MMO on the PlayStation or PC. And I've been spending a lot of time on that. And it's a video game, but I have a great group of friends on there, and it's just been fun playing it after like almost a 6-month break. And I'm excited because the new patch is coming out. But anyway, I have not been feeling the best mentally, and it affects everybody differently. Now, a lot of my like mood and like depression comes just from, you know, things that are going on in life. But another thing that comes from my depression is a lot of people don't know, but I live with an autoimmune disease. I have Crohn's. I was diagnosed about 2 years ago. And I don't think I've really talked about this online, so I will talk about it now. So basically, I was sick off and on for about 2 years prior to my diagnosis. It started when I was on my way to a Halloween party at a friend's house, and I had my roommate pull over the car, and I just let everything out on the side of the road. And that's when it started. And then I felt better afterwards, but I went home and went to sleep. And then it would come and go. And it seemed like it would happen like around the same time every month. So I was like, what's going on? And, you know, went to the hospital, went to the doctors. They diagnosed me with something, gave me medicine for it. It helped for a little bit, but the problem always came back until one day my doctor was like, okay, well, we're going to have to, like, get you a CAT scan or something to be, like, so we can see what's going on internally. And, did the CAT scan, and they found a swelling in my small intestine, and I had to have a colonoscopy, and what they found, the doctor said he had never seen it before, and whatever it is had to come out. So that happened. I had major surgery. They ended up taking out 1/3 of my large intestine. If you don't know, the colon or the large intestine is basically like 3 main parts. The ascending, descending, and then like the part in the middle. Well, they removed my ascending colon. So I now have a digestive tract shorter than most people. And then I had to see a gastroenterologist, and I was put on medication. And this particular medication I have to take every day of my life, 3 pills in the morning for the rest of my life, to try to keep the swelling and all the flare-ups down to a minimum, because I'm still learning a lot about Crohn's disease, and from what I gathered, it's an autoimmune disease, so my body is attacking itself when I have a flare-up, and it causes intense swelling. And then the result of the swelling is like pain, a lot of pain, you know, and it can affect anywhere from my esophagus all the way down to where everything comes out. So it was not a fun time. So I'm feeling better, but there are my days where I have a flare-up and it sucks. Because, like, you wake up, you feel like crap, your mood is completely shifted. I'm going to have to make more color. I don't think I used enough. But I love this color. It looks the same on camera, but trust me, it's a little more red and a little more pink. Yeah, I'm going to have to make more. I will be right back. I don't want to make it on camera because you already saw me make it. Alright, I have more. So, I forgot where I left off. So I take medicine every day of my life. I have Crohn's disease. I'm just like, I look bald. So, I don't even like talking about it. Like, it's such a personal thing for me. But, you know, you have to, like, learn to live with the things that happen to you in life. So, and I want to be able to, like, share my story because I'm still, you know, getting used to, you know, having Crohn's disease and, you know, still learning about it. And I don't know many people with it. So, maybe this will hopefully, like, bring me some friends who go through the same thing. So, if you're watching this and you have Crohn's disease, I would love to talk with you about it because it's tough, especially since I turned 26 this month. And when you turn 26, you can no longer be on your parents' insurance, and I'm going to have to start doing that myself, and it's really stressful. Adulthood. So yeah, that's mainly like what's been going on. Plus, like, with all the stuff that goes on in the beauty community, it seems like every week, every month, there's a new scandal, and it just makes me so not want to be a part of it, because I don't like to be around toxic people or toxic situations, and it's just a lot. But I'm always on Twitter, and if you don't follow me on Twitter, please follow me on Twitter, ZOTS. I've been more active on there than anything else, and there's so much love going on in the beauty community on Twitter, and I love seeing that Anastasia Beverly Hills, Norvina, is like reaching out and adding people, a lot of my mutuals, to their PR list. And it makes me so happy, and it gave me like a lot of hope and a lot of faith in the beauty community. And it just like really inspired me to get back into it and get doing it again. So I'm not going to sit in this rut anymore. If you don't follow Simon and Martina, they are a lovely couple who live in Japan. And Martina lives with EDS, and I don't know all the details, but I will link their video down below. And one of the things she talks about in her video talking about depression and everything is something she calls building a ladder. And I am so happy that I watched that video, and I'm so happy that, you know, she talked about it, because it really helped. It's basically, when you wake up and you're having a bad day, think of something that makes you happy. Do something that makes you happy to just help you get over the hump of sadness, to get you active, and to make you feel good. And it just helped a whole lot. I'm going to link that video down below so you guys can check it out. And I think I have all of this covered. So I'm going to let this sit for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I will come back. I'm going to go give my dog a bath, and I will show you the finished hair color. Peace. All right, I am back, rinsed. You might be thinking, it looks the same. On camera, it very much looks still orange. I mean, it is orange, but in person, it's a lot more red-based orange. It's more authentically Lilu from The Fifth Element kind of orange, which is what I want. So yeah, it's just this quick little real talk, real chat video about what's been going on with me. I hope you guys enjoy videos like this, because I want to do more of them, because I don't always wear makeup and I don't always do makeup every day. So to have some other content aside from the beauty stuff would be great. So if you like these real talk, real chat videos, let me know and I will do more of them. I know I have definitely been gone a little bit, but I'm trying to get back into the groove. I'm trying to get back into, you know, the mindset of the business. And I took a break, a long break. And it's okay to take a break for yourself. I want to get that point across. If you feel like you're being overwhelmed, or you feel like your mental state is not in the right place, take a break, step back, and recuperate, and it is completely okay to do so. Thank you guys so much for all your support through Instagram, Twitter, and here on YouTube. I love you guys all so much. I plan on doing a video. I'm actually going to film another video after this. Look, I'm already getting back into it. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. Be back soon. This is my hair. Alright, ooh, hello spikes. So I'm going to leave you guys with this. I love you guys. You guys are beautiful. If you need a break, take a break, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, favorite, and subscribe. Ring that bell, get notified every time I post, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.